at the concept of ratio and proportion. So in this video, we will be looking at some properties of proportions and a few sums solved on the basis of those properties. So suppose you have two ratios, A is to B equal to C is to D. So there are two ratios which are equal. We can say that A plus B is to A minus B will be equal to C plus D is to C minus D. Now suppose we are going to use the property of componendo. This is one property of a ratio. We can say A plus B by B is equal to C plus D by D. Now we will put this as equation 1. And we have another property called dividendo. Here we can say A minus B by B is equal to C minus D by D. Let's put this as 2. Now if we combine componendo and dividendo, that is we divide 1 by 2, you will get A plus B upon A minus B is equal to C plus D upon C minus D. Now we are going to use this property to solve few of our sums today. Okay, so please make a note of this property. So I'll just erase the board for now. Okay, let's look at our first sum. We have 7m plus 2n upon 7m minus 2n, which is equal to 5 by 3. Okay, so you have to use the properties of proportion to find m is to n. Okay, so let us use componendo and dividendo, that is A plus B upon A minus B is equal to C plus D upon C minus D. So when we use that, A is 7m plus 2n, B is 7m minus 2n. So you are going to get A plus B is 7m plus 2n plus 7m minus 2n. We can I'll just write it here. A is equal to 7m plus 2n and B is 7m minus 2n. This is A by B is equal to C by D. It is in that form. So A plus B upon A minus B, that is 7m plus 2n minus of 7m plus 2n, because when you take the negative of the second term, you have to change the signs. Now on the right side you get 5 plus 3 upon 5 minus 3. You have to apply the property to both the sides. Now here on the numerator you cancel plus 2n minus 2n, you get 14m. In the denominator you cancel plus 7m, 7 minus 7m, you get upon 4n is equal to 8 upon 2. So this becomes 7 by 2m by n, that is 7m by 2n, which is 8 by 2 is 4. You cross multiply, you get 7m is equal to 4 into 2n, that is 8n. Now m is to n, or m upon n will be 8 upon 7. Okay, so you get 7m is 8n. So m is to n is 8 is to 7. This is our first example. Is it simple? Let's look at the second example. So here also using componendo and dividendo, you have to find the value of x. The sum is 3x plus 4, square root of 3x plus 4 plus square root of 3x minus 5 upon square root of 3x plus 4 minus of square root of 3x minus 5 is equal to 9. You have to find the value of x. Okay. So your A is 3x plus 4 plus 3x minus 5. B is 3x plus 4 minus 3x minus 5. So when you do A plus B upon A minus B, you get square root of 3x plus 4 plus square root of 3x minus 5 plus square root of 3x plus 4 minus square root of 3x minus 5. The numerator is A, denominator is B, upon square root of 3x plus 4 minus of square root of 3x minus 5 minus B. So it is minus of square root of 3x plus 4 plus square root of 3x minus 5. Now 9 can be written as 9 upon 1. So here we make it 9 plus 1 upon 9 minus 1. You have to use the property for both the sides. So we cancel out this, and denominator we cancel out this. So you get 2 times square root of 3x plus 4 A is 3x plus 4 plus square root of 3x minus 5. So 2 times square root of 3x minus 5, which is 9 plus 1 is 10 upon 9 minus 1 is 8. So this can be simplified as, the right side can be simplified as 5 by 4. And here we can cancel out the 2's. So you get square root of 3x plus 4 upon square root of 3x minus 5. Now let's square both the sides because we want to remove the square root sign. So squaring both the sides, you get 3x plus 4 upon 3x minus 5 is equal to 25 upon 16. So let's cross multiply. 16 times 3x plus 4 is equal to 25 times 3x minus 5. So 48x plus 64 is equal to 75x minus 125. So let's put 75x minus 48x to the left and 64 plus 125 to the right. So 64 plus 125, I'll continue here, that is 189 is equal to 27x. X is equal to 189 upon 27. So you divide by 9. So you get the value of x as 7. Okay, so we have done two sums based on the property componendo and dividendo. I am sure you would have understood them, but in case you have any doubts, you can let me know in the chat, in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video, and do subscribe to our channel for more engaging and interesting videos.